First, let me say, I actually have experiences with multiple insurers. The reality is that over my life, through the events associated with home acquisition, having family, buying cars, preparing and protecting our assets, we've in fact entered into relationships with a multiplicity of insurers. And by and large, the sales experience has been quite distant to me. It's something that has been relatively paper intensive, but from a positive perspective, it has been founded on a relationship of trust that I had with a broker. What I think has been very differentiated for me are the experiences when I've needed actual help from my insurer. And in those moments of truth, empathy, consideration, frictionless experience, being able to get in touch with people and have them understand my needs and help me through that process has really been how I associate value and how I demonstrate loyalty by going back. Where I think there are gaps, quite frankly, is I don't feel that my insurer knows all of me. Any one of my insurers know all of me. In fact, I have relationships with 5 of them, so how could they possibly know all of me? And so it's incumbent upon me to actually knit together my experience and my life for my insurer. And I think that that really leaves something on the doorstep of what we experience in so many other parts of our day-to-day lives, that personalized, relevant experiences that are delivered online, digitally. Insurance actually falls short in that regard. That's my take of your business.
So Jason, looking from your P&C perspective, I noticed that she said nice things about brokers, and as a senior executive responsible for the broker distribution, that's probably a good thing.
Absolutely.
What's your thoughts about wealth management and about the banking generally that you can comment on?
Yeah, thanks, Patrick. So first of all, we need to get you to a broker quickly with all of your products, because clearly there's an opportunity.
No one's asked.
No one's asked. Well, I know there's a few brokers in here today. So, Zach, where are you? There you go. So look, from an insurance, from a wealth management and a banking perspective, I think a couple of things from a positives to begin with. Certainly, banking. I can do a lot more about banking on this than I can in insurance, and I feel that I don't know about any of you, but I don't very often go into the branch, and if I need to talk to a bank manager. Or my bank manager, I can do, but I can't really think of the reasons why I would need to talk to my bank manager on a day-to-day basis. Even if I'm making a change to something fairly significant like a mortgage, or want to make a payment, or whatever it may be, something that isn't quite ordinary course of every week, or at least not for me, I don't need to go in and speak to somebody. And I have a relationship with my bank that, ironically, we moved to Canada 14 years ago, and we were recommended a particular bank, and that recommendation came through a trusted friend, and so I built that relationship with a branch. I no longer have a relationship with my bank through the branch and through people. I have it through an app on my phone,